Did you know you could make pin buttons at a Mississauga Library Makerspace? In this video, we'll show you how. First, decide on the size of your button. Most makerspaces offer either 1.5 inch or 2.25 inch size button. For our example, we'll be making a 1.5 inch button. Next, size your design appropriately. Your design should fit within 1.5 inches, but should have a 1/4 inch of bleed to fit around the button. Now you can print your design. Next, make sure you have all your button making materials: a shell, a clear mylar sheet, and a pin back. You can buy sets of these materials at the library. Now that you have everything you need, go ahead and punch out your design into a circle using this punch out tool. On the button maker, notice there are 2 cylinders that swivel, one labeled cylinder A and cylinder B. Place the shell into cylinder A, smooth side up. Now place your graphic facing up and towards you on top of the shell. Place the clear mylar circle over the graphic. Now place the pin backing on cylinder B, with the pin releasing away from you and flipped upside down. Rotate the cylinder so that cylinder A is under the handle and press the handle towards you. Now release the handle, rotate the cylinders so now that cylinder B is under the handle, and press again. Raise the handle to see your finished product. This concludes our video on how to get started with the button maker. For more information on Mississauga Library Makerspaces, visit mississaugalibrary.ca/maker.